Welcome back to Road Rivals, where we bring you the fiercest machines on the road. Today, we're diving into a modern icon, the Audi R8. A car that blends supercar performance with everyday usability. Let's hit the road. Overview and design. Shots of the R8 from different angles, close-ups of LED lights, grille, and wheels. From its aggressive front grille to its signature side blades, the Audi R8 screams performance. The sharp LED headlights, wide stance, and aerodynamic body make it a showstopper from every angle. Engine and performance. Close-ups of the engine, exhaust, and acceleration shots. Under the hood, or rather behind the seats, is a 5.2L naturally aspirated V10. Pumping out up to 612 horsepower, it launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds. And the Quattro all-wheel drive ensures insane grip on any road. Driving experience. On-road driving shots, interior POV of the dashboard and digital cockpit. Step inside, and you're greeted with a driver-focused cockpit, digital instrument cluster, and paddle shifters ready to unleash the beast. Whether you're cruising or tearing up the track, the R8 delivers an exhilarating ride with razor-sharp handling and an exhaust note that will send chills down your spine. Final thoughts. Dramatic slow-motion shots, rolling shots on an open road. The Audi R8 is more than just a car, it's a statement. A perfect blend of luxury, power, and precision engineering. But what do you think? Is the R8 a supercar killer, or does it fall short against the competition? Let us know in the comments. Music fades, Road Rivals logo appears. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon.